Hello friends, I Manoj Kumar Shinde, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, KKM College of Pharmacy, Nasik. Today, we are going to learn major extra and intracellular electrolytes. The learning outcomes of major extra and intracellular electrolytes. First, to know different fluid compartments, to know different electrolytes, classification of electrolytes, major functions of electrolytes, concentration of major physiological ions. Fluid. It helps to maintain body temperature and cell shape. It also helps transport nutrients, gases, and waste. The body fluid are solutions of inorganic and organic solids. The concentration balance of the various compartments is maintained in order for the cell and tissue to have a constant environment. In order for the body to maintain this internal homeostasis, there are regulatory mechanisms which control pH, ionic balance, osmotic pressure, etc. The volume and composition of the body fluids vary tremendously from one compartment to another and are maintained remarkably. Disturbances of fluid and electrolyte metabolism involve four properties: the body fluid volume, osmolarity, hydrogen ion concentration, that is pH, and concentration of other specific ions. The total body water is divided into three compartments: the intracellular compartment, second, the extracellular compartments, which consist of plasma and interstitial fluid, third, the transcellular compartments, which includes the fluid within the gastrointestinal tract, humor of the eye, and excretory systems of the kidney and glands, that is pericardial, peritoneal, and cerebrospinal fluids. So the total body water that consists 63% intracellular fluids and 37% extracellular fluids. The body consists of 70% of water, two-third body water, two-third body weight is due to the water, one-third of water is within the cells, one-third of water is extracellular in tissue surrounding the cells, 25% of interstitial fluids, and 5 to 8% in plasma, that is intravascular fluids, while 1 to 2% in transcellular fluids, that is cerebrospinal fluid, intraocular fluid, GIT, respiratory and urinary tract. All the body fluid, intracellular, extracellular, contains electrolytes. The electrolyte concentration varies in these fluids. So what are extra and intracellular ions? There are 7 physiological ions which are called as electrolytes and which plays a crucial role in normal functioning of the human body. These are not only essential for maintaining homeostasis, but they also perform various functions, which includes regulations of acid-base balance, regulation of osmotic pressure, biochemical reactions, and important physiological functions. These electrolytes are chloride, phosphate, bicarbonate, sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. So, the electrolytes are categorized as intracellular ions and extracellular ions as follows. Potassium and magnesium are major intracellular ions, while sodium, chloride, calcium, phosphate, bicarbonates, these are extracellular ions. So let's see the functions of major physiological ions. First, sodium. The sodium and its associated anions, mainly chloride, account for more than 90% of the solute in extracellular fluid compartment. Plasma sodium is mainly involved in the maintenance of plasma osmolarity under many conditions. Second, potassium is a very important mineral for the proper functions of all cells, tissues, and organs in the human body. It is also an electrolyte, a substance that conducts electricity in the body, along with sodium, chloride, calcium, and magnesium. It is crucial to heart functions. It plays a key role in skeletal and smooth muscle contraction, making it important for normal digestive and muscular functions. Third, magnesium to activate enzymes which are involved in carbohydrate and protein metabolism. Magnesium also plays important role in neural transmission. It is important part in neuromuscular activity, including myocardial functions. It is also essential for the operation of sodium-potassium ATPase pump system. 4. Chloride. Chloride is a very important anionic electrolyte of the body. Its functions are mainly ion homeostasis maintenance, cell volume regulations, transepithelial transport, regulations of electrical excitability, maintenance of body hydration, maintenance of normal cation anion balance. 5. Phosphate. So it is also essential for the body and is involved mainly roles like proper metabolism of calcium. It is involved along with the calcium in the normal bone and tooth development and its maintenance. It is also important constituent of many vital molecules like phospholipids, ATP, DNA, RNA, etc. Phosphate also important for the maintenance of body physiological acid-base balance. Sulfates. Sulfate plays important role in the metabolism and detoxification reactions. Sulfate compounds are involved in the tissue respiration process. 7. Bicarbonate. It acts as an important buffer system in the maintenance of the body's acid-base balance. And last one is calcium. Calcium is involved importantly in many physiological roles. It plays a role in the process of blood clotting, the concentration of various smooth muscles. So what are the normal values of the physiological ions? So let's see. The normal values of different electrolytes in different compartments. Sodium in intracellular fluid, it is accounts 20 milliequivalents, while extracellular fluid, it is a major extracellular electrolytes. The concentration is 135 to 145. Potassium is a major uh, intracellular electrolytes which accounts 150 milliequivalent, while very traces amount that is 3 to 5 milliequivalent is present in extracellular compound. Chloride. Chloride is mainly present in extracellular fluid compartment that is 98 to 110 milliequivalent, while bicarbonate is present in both compartment but majorly it is present in extracellular fluid compartment. Calcium is also present in extracellular fluid compartment. Its concentration is 8.8 to 10.8, while there are traces of proteins which are majorly present in intracellular fluid compartment, while phosphate is also a major electrolyte present in intracellular fluid compartment that is 115 milliequivalents. So these are the normal values of physiological ions. So thank you very much.